Hello. Today we're going to work on a sight-wide coloring sheet, and I'm going to show you how to open it in Paint so you're able to color it. So I already have Friday open. This is your assignment, and you will click on the sight word, and down here at the bottom you will click Download Image, and it downloads down here. You click this and you can open it. And once you open it, you'll need to go over here to these three little dots and you'll click Open With, and you're going to click Paint. And after you get Paint open, it will show you, you have all your colors here and your sight word coloring sheet here. So you need to read your sight words as you color them. So I'll go ahead and show you how to color some in. We have was is orange. So I'll go up here and pick the orange, and I will pick how I want to fill it in. I can do a brush or a pen, airbrush, pencil, a marker, a crayon, an oil brush, or watercolor brush. You can pick whatever you want to. I like the way the crown looks, so I'm going to pick it. And I said was is orange. So I find was, and I color it orange. And then you find another was, you color it orange. And you can go on to all is yellow. You just pick yellow and color in all of the ones that say all. Into is green. So you come over and pick green. Into, here we go. And am is blue. So I find any of them that say am, and I color them blue. And this is going to be tricky. Oh, I got it. Okay. And then like is red. So I pick red and I color red. And at is pink. So I just pick that pink one and I color all of the at pink. And then you go up to File and you save it however you would like to save it. Oh, it went away. File, save, and mine's saving under sight word 3. If I want to change the name, I go to Save As. And then you will go back to your Schoology, and then you'll submit it. If you all have any questions, you can send me a message on Schoology. I am not going to be working today, so I will get to your message as soon as I can, but just know that I'm not at the school, so I will not be on Schoology all day long. If, excuse me, if you need something quickly, you can call the school and maybe somebody there can help you with it. And if we do not have school next week, I will have a video posted for you on Monday, and Tuesday we will have a Teams meeting no, we will not. I will have a Teams meeting on Monday because I will not be at school again on Tuesday. So I will send a message if I am unable to, or if we are not going to be in school on Monday. I will send a message reminding you that we'll have a Teams meeting. And thank you guys. Have a great weekend.